Are you planning to study in Germany in 2026 but feeling overwhelmed by the APS certificate requirement? Welcome to Study in Europe. Today, we're breaking down everything from the application process to the vital 2026 updates for Indian students. APS stands for Akademische Prüfstelle, the academic evaluation center run by German embassies. It is a mandatory service that verifies the authenticity and academic content of your educational documents. Germany uses this process to ensure all international credentials meet their strict academic integrity standards. This isn't a critique of your home country system. It's simply Germany's way of maintaining excellence. Students from India, China, Vietnam, and several others must obtain this verification before applying. Always check with your local German embassy to confirm if the APS requirement applies to you. The process begins by registering on your country's specific national portal, like APS India or China. Next, you submit your certificates, transcripts, and identity documents for a thorough authenticity review. In some cases, you may be invited for a brief interview or assessment to verify your academic knowledge. Once verified, you'll receive the official APS certificate, a vital document for your visa application. For Indian students, 2026 brings a major change you cannot afford to miss. New eligibility criteria for Indian undergraduates take effect on March 15, 2026 for the winter intake. Use the ANABIN database to ensure your home institution is properly recognized by Germany. To succeed, plan early, verify your university on ANABIN, and review those 2026 criteria carefully. That is why we recommend starting your APS process at least 8 to 12 months before your deadline. Check the validity period of your certificate to ensure it remains active for your visa appointment. Subscribe to Study in Europe for more German roadmap guides. Have questions? Drop a comment below.